Welcome to my YouTube channel. Enjoy the video. Go ahead and feel free to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. What's up, you guys? It is your boy Marcus. Welcome to my page. Thank you for stopping by and watching part 1 of my tutorial. This tutorial is just simply showing you guys like what I do and what I use before I get it styled. Well, before I style it myself. I am my own hairstylist, and I'm gonna give you one of my recipes because I have several, and this is just basically going to be a deep oil treatment mixed with a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and yeah, this really works. It feels good on your scalp. It promotes hair growth, y'all. As you can see, I was showing you guys my length. I've only been growing my locks for a year and a half. It hasn't been 2 years yet. And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but they're cut in layers. I've actually cut them in layers during this 1.5 years. So as you can see, the front part of my hair, because it's layered, is a little shorter, and that actually was down to almost my chin before I cut it, and it's growing right back down. And again, I'm telling you, this product, when I'm getting ready to show y'all one of my secret recipes, it really work, you all, and I'm very honored to share that with you guys on today, and just a little bit of the product that I use. Yeah, y'all enjoy. If you're watching the video right now, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, comment down below, let me know what you think about the video, if you're gonna actually try the mixture, what you would like to see next, and share this, you all. The more you all share and subscribe, I'll be able to give you more content and more stuff. Trust me, I have a lot of stuff that I have for y'all. I have some good stuff for y'all. So y'all come on, y'all join the team. Y'all join MTG, Marcus Talented Gifted. Y'all spam them comments, like and share. Part 2 is coming, and the part 2, I'm going to actually do a tutorial on me styling, and I'll be actually showing what I'm doing while I'm styling. So this is the beginning part of my liquid gold for your hair, and it is 100% natural shea butter. That is the base of this particular one. Like I said, I have many before this deep oil treatment. I am using shea butter. Now that is the Jamaican mango and lime. I love their whole entire line. Let me just put it like that. I'm a huge fan. I pretty much use every single product they have. I don't have any complaints. And again, you use what you want to use, but I know, like, when it comes to me, that's what works for me. And I highly recommend this product. So yes, it is incorporated into my liquid gold for your hair. And you guys, I'm telling you, this feels so good to your hair. It smells good. That's also another product from the Jamaican mango line. Majority of the products that I use is coming from that line. This one is tropical roots. I throw some of that over in there as well. Ozzy. That particular one is I don't know if it's the jojoba oil or the avocado. It's one or the other. That's African Pride. That's a moisture retention. And you guys, I'm telling you, this smells so good. When you mix everything together, it smells so good. It feels so good on your scalp. That is just like an anti-frizz, and and it also helps add a little bit of silkiness to your dreads. I just have, just a bowl that I don't use, and that's what I'm gonna mix it in. You feel free to mix it in whatever you want to mix it in, and I hope it don't be something that you plan on using to eat out of. So as you can see, I'm starting to mix the product, and of course I start off with the shea butter or shea butter, whichever one you want to call it. You're gonna mix everything together real good, and you'll probably see me just kind of showing you the products again as I'm mixing it. And I want to say this, a little goes a long way. I'm getting ready to show you pretty much about how much I use. That's the shea butter. I don't use much at all, especially considering I have an undercut. And because I have an undercut, I definitely don't need that much versus a person that has a full head of dreads. So y'all remember, a little goes a long way. You really, really don't need that much at all. Now, you guys, everything that you see me using, I don't use that on a everyday basis. It is just mainly, when I'm getting ready to get my hairstyle, so that way it'll already have moisture, my scalp will be oiled, and all of that good stuff. On a typical day, I would probably, if I'm wearing it down, I would probably just spritz it with water with a spray bottle. And I'm getting ready to show y'all later in this clip some hacks that I personally use so that I don't have to spend money on spray bottles. Now, you can, if that's your preference, that's totally fine. But I'm going to show you a trick that I use later in the clip. But on a normal day, I'll just take, just a little bit of one of the oils from the Jamaican mango and lime, of course. Rub it on my hands and start from the roots up. And if you're wondering, why the different oils, it's because every oil or every ingredient that I add, it serves a different purpose. So that's why I want it in this deep oil treatment, because every 3 to 4 days, when I use just the one oil, it doesn't do the same thing as this. Trust me. So if you were one of the ones that were wondering, well, why this? Trust me, it makes a major difference when you do a deep oil treatment. And I promise you, if you try this recipe, you will thank me. I'm giving y'all a free treat. So now I'm just getting ready to warm it up. I normally warm it up in the microwave for at least 1 minute. I don't walk away. I stand there, I watch it. And, I judge it based on my tolerance. Now, you want to make sure you can tolerate the heat. And I strongly want to advise you all, if you were to try this, which I'm hoping that you will, do not put it directly on your scalp once you take it out of the microwave. You want to let it sit. It cools down pretty quickly. You want to let it sit. And so what I'm doing now is, while I was letting it sit, I went ahead and I started spritzing my hair with water, with a little bit of the leave-in conditioner that was left in the Alpha G bottle, which is what I'm using. And remember when I mentioned a few seconds ago, one of my hacks, that's what I do when my bottles that already have spray nozzles on them get low. I recycle them. I'll use them for water, and in this case, it's water mixed with leave-in conditioner. I just combine both of them together, and I'm just saturating my hair. You don't have to have it dripping wet. You don't have to have it dripping wet at all. Now, if I was to do this straight after a wash, I would do it on very, very wet hair. I would not dry my hair at all. But yeah, you guys, y'all recycle them bottles that have the nozzles and the spray tops already on them, so that way you won't have to go and get spray bottles. They do the same exact thing as a standard spray bottle. But feel free to do what you want to do. And so right here, I'm just showing y'all how I apply my product to my hair. I don't go straight for my roots. I start from the tips and work my way upwards. And right here, this is another thing. Now, it was Dew Growth originally in there. That's another one of my favorite products as well. And because that bottle was empty and it has the tip where the oil can come out of it, I kept it. And so I'm gonna pour the remainder of my liquid gold into that bottle. And y'all peep how I did not start from my scalp. I started from the tips of my locks, worked my way up. I didn't touch any of my scalp yet. I'm gonna let this bottle do that for me. So y'all will see that in just a second. You don't have to do it this way. It's totally up to you. I strongly recommend using that method so that it's easier to get your scalp versus trying to use your fingers. When you use a bottle like that with the tip like that, that oil penetrates on your scalp better than you trying to use your hands, especially with the type of product that we just made. I'm just going ahead and I'm massaging y'all. I'm massaging my scalp. And feel free to use a scalp massager if you have one. That will work good too. You want to make sure you get in there real good. Especially, your scalp. You want to massage around your temples, the crown, your nape, kitchen, or whatever you want to call it. You want to get all of that blood flowing, and it's helping to promote healthy hair growth. It's penetrating down in your scalp. And I've applied a little bit extra in the middle because that's where it be the thinnest at. So don't ever feel like you can't apply more, because yes, it helps. And there I just have a regular plastic bag. Now you can use a shower cap, a regular plastic cap. You can use saran wrap if you don't have, like a plastic bag or a plastic cap like I have it now. See, y'all, I'm doing my thing right here. You don't have to do this, but this is just what I had offhand. But it does the exact same thing, you all. It does the same thing. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on, and I typically like to leave the leave-in conditioner and the oil in my hair with this cap on for at least 25 minutes to a half an hour. And you can feel free to leave it in longer if you want to, because it will not hurt. You cannot ever have too much of a deep conditioning in your hair. You can't. So you guys, it feels so good on your scalp the whole entire time. Now I want to stress this. These are the Dread crochet needles, and the first one that you've seen was a 0.5. The second one, the one I'm showing right now, is a 0.75. I strongly recommend these if you have locks.
Listen,
but you have to know how to use them. You have to know how to use them, and I will show you that in another video.
I'm so comfortable right now, but I'm just cool and I'm vibing. I've started watching some of my favorite YouTubers. I actually turned the video down for copyright purposes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna close this out. There's gonna be a part 2.